You just knee buckle?
A knee buckle.
That's awesome. What the f was that?
Yo, what's up guys? Doesn't seem like too long ago that I was probably walking on this exact same pathway in Miami at the university campus. Probably talking about something that I don't really remember. So I'm on my last full day in Miami. I go home tomorrow. I'm very sad about going home. Not excited to go back to the cold of England. Anyway, I'm back here. I'm just heading to the pool for my final session of the week, and it's my last session with the whole team because they're all heading away to the ACCs, which is on next week in Greensboro. But anyway, I literally left the house with the most perfect timing right now. Literally, as I walked out of the door, the delivery man came up with this little delivery for me, which is an exciting little partnership that I have coming up, and I will show you why in just a few seconds. Sorry to interrupt this video, but the exciting announcement I have is that these t-shirts, The Hustle Never Stops, are available to buy now. So if you're watching this video, show some love and go check out the link in the description below and go purchase your own. Join me on my motto for 2018, The Hustle Never Stops. Keep on working hard, keep on doing everything you can to be the best version of yourself that you can be. Anyway, thanks. Back to the video. I just want to talk to you quickly about The Hustle Never Stops and what it means to me and why it's my motto for 2018. The main thing for me is, actually it comes from my parents. My mum and dad, they did everything for me to be as successful as I can be. Without them, I wouldn't be where I am today. Without the help I got from them, I wouldn't be in the position I am today. They had no idea where I was going to get with the investments that they put into me. My dad has the craziest work ethic ever. It's probably like almost too much. I mean, he owns his own business and he works like non-stop. That's kind of rubbed off on me because I've seen that I appreciate everything that he does for his work. It makes me want to work hard. It makes me want to do the most that I can do to basically live the life I want to live. That's the way I believe that everybody should be. I know it's difficult, it's not always easy because things do go wrong, and my dad has been through his fair share of things going wrong in his business, but it's still going now and it's still running strong, and that's because of the effort and the work and the sacrifice that he's put in to make this business work. For me, that's the same way I want to be in my life in general.
Fresh out boost. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise. Do it, you don't even see him moves. Ride with bumps. I got a hard head, but her something. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, all I flamed on it.
I balanced diving and university and school and everything before that, and coaching as well. Like, I was non-stop in 2015 and 2016 with coaching and training and studying for university, and I graduated from university with a 2-1. Like, not many people can say that they've graduated from university and qualified for the Olympic Games in the same year. That's kind of crazy in my eyes anyway. It's definitely possible, but not enough people are willing to put in the effort to make all of that possible. I mean, for me, it didn't actually seem like much effort because I was enjoying what I was doing. And that's the main thing. You gotta enjoy what you're doing. But once you find that thing that you enjoy, you gotta put 100% in and work for it to get the best out of it. So that's why right now I'm going with the hustle never stops, because this year alone, this is my year to start growing and start developing and start boosting myself in preparation for the rest of my life, because the diving life isn't gonna last much longer. I mean, I'm doing well now and we'll see what happens in a few years time, but in reality, all sporting lives don't last very long unless you're like Floyd Mayweather or whatever. Diving is a sport where it's not lucrative enough to set you up for the rest of your life like footballers and like boxers and things like that. That's why I need to get myself together and work out what I'm gonna do. And that starts now. That starts whilst I'm still diving. That starts whilst I still have the time to work it all out. If I get to the end of my diving career and I haven't worked anything out and I'm stuck like, what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna be so unhappy. I'll be so lost because all I will have known is diving and I haven't prepared myself to do anything after that. So right now I'm in the process of working out what I want to do after diving and what I want to do the rest of my life. And the best way to do that is work hard on everything I'm doing now in the pool, for one, to make sure that diving is the best that it can be, and also outside the pool to make sure that whatever I'm doing outside the pool is the best that it can be, so when I do finish there's something there ready to go once I've finished diving. So that's my motto for the year. Why not try and bring other people in, help people see what I'm seeing right now, help people follow my vision, help people understand my mindset. It's definitely something that people can improve on in general. From what I've seen just through my own eyes, it's definitely something that people can improve on in general, and I hope that at least one person takes the message and one person will benefit from my kind of mindset. But anyway, that's the hustle never stops. My diving training camp is almost over here in Miami. I've got 2 more days left of training to do after this vlog comes out, and then I'm flying back home on Wednesday. I've got 3 weeks back home and then I fly out to Australia. Hopefully, I haven't actually booked my flights yet, but that should be sorted very, very soon. I've been officially confirmed for the Commonwealth Games now. Like, I'm very, very excited for it. Unfortunately, Jamaica aren't sending as many athletes as they did in 2014, especially in aquatics. There's only me and then Alia Atkinson, who's the Jamaican swimmer. That means, unfortunately, other people are missing out, which is such a shame, but that makes me even more determined to do the best that I can out there, just to make sure that they know that I got that spot for a reason and I deserve it and I've earned it, and I'm sure they appreciate that already, but why not prove it in the diving pool? Next time I see you, I'll probably be back home, so peace out. Thanks for watching.